update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened on a flat to negative note. Thereafter, the selling pressure from the yesterday's trading session continued, and the Nifty ended the day on a negative note, down 101 points. The market width was negative with 257 advances to 1260 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, ITC, ICICI Bank, State Bank of India, ONGC, Sun Pharma, ONGC, Tata Motors, HUL were some of the major losers, while Infosys, TCS, Coal India, Idea, Bharti Airtel and NTPC managed to close the day on a positive note. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has closed in the negative. From yesterday's trading session, the selling pressure has continued even today. There was no pullback or no real retracement of from yesterday's fall, and the Nifty just continued to drift lower. In this process, it has reached around the daily lower Bollinger Band, not exactly at the daily lower Bollinger Band, but around that level. And thereafter, it saw some buying at lower levels during the latter half of the trading session. On the hourly charts, we can observe that after it reached around that daily lower Bollinger Band, we saw some buying. And on the hourly charts, we can also observe that the hourly momentum indicator is extremely oversold. So that could be the possibly reason why that buying came around. On the hourly charts also, we can observe a 5-wave decline being completed on an hourly basis. So combining the facts that the hourly momentum indicator is having an extremely oversold reading, and on the hourly charts we have a 5-wave decline, it is very much possible in tomorrow's trading session the Nifty might just retrace or give a bounce, and that bounce should be used as a selling opportunity. So 8193 and 8300 are crucial resistances on the upside. 8193 is this previous swing or previous wave 4. So if the markets has to, if the Nifty has to resume its downtrend, then around the previous wave 4, that could be a retracement area around which it could again resume its downtrend. So 8193 and above that 8300, where we have the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages are placed. So these are crucial levels around which traders can initiate fresh shorts on Nifty on rise. On the downside, today's low of 8094 and below that 8000, which is our short term, 8010, which is our short term target, are crucial supports. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also similarly saw some buying pressure around the lower levels, around that daily lower Bollinger Band, and saw a rise from that level in today's trading session. It closed off the day's high in today's trading session. However, the strategy to play the Bank Nifty also shall remain the same, to sell on rise near resistances. 17,900, 18,250 are crucial resistances. 17,560 and 17,400 are crucial supports. So overall, friends, the view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain negative. The strategy to play both these or to trade both these indices should be to sell on rise. On an hourly basis, both these indices are extremely oversold, and on the hourly charts also we can observe a clear 5-wave decline. So combining these two factors in tomorrow's trading session, if we get a bounce back or if we get some kind of a retracement, then sell on rise would be the strategy for tomorrow's trading session. That's all for the day. Thank you.